Hi, I'm Jeannie, and I'm always looking for ways to reduce waste and save money. When I tracked my family's spending, I was shocked to see how much we were spending on food. By not inventorying my freezer, I noticed I was having to throw away expired items, and I wasn't using everything I had. To challenge myself to save more money, I decided to recreate one of our favorite restaurant meals by using items we have on hand. I try to stock up on frozen vegetables for savings. I organize my freezer by putting items with a more current expiration date in the front of the freezer. I noticed this week I had frozen stir-fried vegetables in the freezer. I'm using it to recreate one of our favorite meals, chicken fried rice. This normally costs $10.25 at a restaurant. Here's what you'll need for this recipe. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Once the oil is heated, I'm going to add the package of frozen vegetables to the pan. Sauté the vegetables until they're slightly tender. Next, we're going to move these to one side of the pan. Whisk 2 eggs in a small bowl. Then, we're going to scramble them on one side of the pan. Next, I'll add 2 cups of leftover brown rice and a cup and a half of leftover cooked chicken. Stir to combine. Now everything is stirred and combined. Next, I'll add 2 teaspoons of ground ginger and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Stir again until combined. Lastly, we'll top with some sesame seeds. Now it's ready to serve up for a tasty meal. You could add frozen peas or whatever vegetables you have on hand. By using what I had, I saved over half the price of what it would have cost to eat this at a restaurant. Leftovers will be good for 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator. Try these tips and taste the savings for your family.
Family Consumer Sciences at the University of Kentucky offers programming in the areas of nutrition, health, resource management, family development, and civic engagement. To learn more about our extension programming efforts, listen to our award-winning podcast, Talking Facts, visit us online, or follow us on social media through Instagram or Facebook. You can also reach out to your local county extension agent for Family and Consumer Sciences Extension. We build strong families, we build Kentucky. It starts with us.